How do I update my Aguri map? To update your Aguri map, follow these steps. 1. Connect your Aguri device to your computer using the provided USB cable. 2. Visit the Aguri website or the official support page to find the latest map update available for your specific device model. 3. Download the map update file to your computer. 4. Make sure your computer is turned on and running. 5. Once the map update file is downloaded, locate it on your computer. 6. Extract or unzip the downloaded map update file if necessary. 7. Copy the map update files to the root directory of a USB flash drive. 8. Safely disconnect the USB flash drive from your computer. 9. Safely disconnect your Aguri device from your computer. 10. Turn on your Aguri device. 11. Insert the USB flash drive containing the map update files into the USB port of your Aguri device. 12. Access the settings menu on your Aguri device. 13. Look for an option related to map updates within the settings menu. 14. Select the option to initiate the map update process. 15. Follow any on-screen prompts or instructions that appear during the update process. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.